In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut and trim videos in Premiere Pro. Already, I have these two videos here for this tutorial, okay? In the first clips here, for example, I want this video to start from here and then end at this point, okay? I don't want to see this lady in my first clips here, okay? So I want the video to end at this point, okay? If the remaining part of this video is no longer needed, okay, all I need to do then is to place my mouse at the edge of that video layer and then trim it down to where I want the video to stop, as you can see it now, okay? But if I still want to use the remaining part in this video, all I need to do is to go to my tools panel here to select my razor tool. Razor tool is what we use to cut video in our timeline. As you can see now, my mouse is not normal mouse any longer. It shows something like a blade, as you can see. Okay, so I will now place it where I want the video to stop here to have my cut. Okay, then I can now pick the remaining one because I want to reuse it in this video and keep it somewhere here. Okay, so if I play that video now, you will see that the lady is no longer part of that clips, as you can see now. So let's go to the second video to look for more clips that we can add to our video here. Okay, okay, let's see this place now. Okay, so now at this point now, I cannot trim from here to this point because there's still more I can search for here. Okay, and I cannot trim from the right to this. If I do, definitely I'm going to lose this part. Okay, so what I need to do here now is to pick my razor tools again and then have another cut here. Okay, and then pick that part and then add it to my video here, as you can see now. Okay, so let's look for another part that we can also add to our video here. Let's say from here, let me see. Good. Let's say from here. Okay, so since here is no longer needed, so you can place your mouse here and trim it to where you want these clips to start. Okay, then I play it now to maybe to this point. So pick your razor blade here now and then have another cut there. Then pick that part and add it to your video. Okay, so we can decide to take out this one because we already get enough clips to put together. Remember, we have this one here with the intention to reuse it in this video. Okay, so I can pick this one now and then do some trimming before adding to our video. Let's say from here, then you can trim it down there and then add it to our video. Okay, let's play the video now and see what we have all together. So, cool. Okay, so basically this is how you can cut and trim video in Premiere Pro. If you join us lately, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be informed whenever we upload another videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.